Today we're going to rebuild a Cooper Pegler Series 2000 sprayer. Warm up a new cup seal in some hot water and fit to the base of the pump. Warm up the bellows and slide from the base of the pump up into position. Fit the relief valve spring and seal into position. Drop the ball bearing back inside the pump. Attach the dip tube into the pump cap and slide into the pump. Screw the pump cap into place. Ensure that the poppit valve at the base of the piston cup is clean and clear of debris. Replace if necessary. Screw the piston cup into the base of the tank. Place the pump into the tank and screw in. Clip the push rod into place. Replace the strainer and the filler cap. Place the hose grommet into the pump cap and screw on the hose cap.